Welcome to my kitchen. We are exploring all things plant-based. So this is just about how can we get more plants into our system. It's not necessarily about following any strict diet of being a vegan or vegetarian or plant-based or paleo or this or that or whatnot. It's just about like, how can I get more of the good stuff into my system? Because the two biggest challenges that I've noticed with people is that one, it takes a lot of effort and a lot of time, and people don't feel that they've got the time and the effort to make themselves good food and make good choices. And also, there are so many options out there which are quick and easy and often sold as healthy, but are they really healthy? That is the question. So, my story. I've been living on farms for probably the last 7 years now, and we're not close to any Woolies, any Pick and Pay, anything like that. Everything has to get made in this kitchen. And one of the biggest things that I've been using over the last years is a Wonder Bag. I absolutely love this. I have got a potato soup in here, going in here at the moment. So all I needed to do in the morning was to chop up the vegetables, pop this on the stove for a couple of minutes, and then from there, pop it in my Wonder Bag. And it's been sitting here all day cooking itself. So all it requires really is for you to be mindful and to have a little bit of a plan in place to get things going. That is my tip for you. One, get yourself a meal plan going for the week, and then choose 1 or 2 days in the week where you're going to do all your prepping. You're going to chop all your vegetables. You may be going to cook up a couple of base things, because that means that your kitchen is going to be a mess for that day, for those 2 days. And it doesn't mean then at least every day you don't have to come into the kitchen and now you've got to chop the veggies, follow the salad, and that's tiring, exhausting. You have it all in your fridge. You just grab it, pop it on a plate, pop it in a bowl, and Bob's your uncle. Maybe there are 1 or 2 things that you need to do fresh, but most of the stuff can already be prepped and can be ready for you. So if you find that time and effort is an issue, time block time and just get a whole load of stuff done for the week, and it'll make your life so much easier. Use something like a Wonder Bag if you want, and it'll slow cook your food throughout the day. For those of you who just are needing a little bit of help in this regard, don't stress, I've got your back. I have a 7-day seasonal reset on offer, and we do this live together 4 times a year, but it's something you can start anytime. So if you're like, Nina, I can't wait for the next season, I need to reset my kitchen now, don't stress. You can grab hold of that workshop. You can join and you get lifetime access. So that means the next time we go live, you can join us and you can reset something. Maybe you just want to reset getting more veggies into your diet. Maybe you want to reset reducing the amount of sugar or your coffee intake, whatever it may be. That 7-day seasonal reset is a great place to start. So I hope to see you in the 7-day reset. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.